Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a really convenient way to brush your teeth, you've got to try these toothpaste tablets by the Humble Company. I really love the ingredients in these toothpaste tablets, and I think the packaging is super. It's very lightweight, and they're so easy to use. I find the packaging to be really nice, super cute. I like that these are tablets, so they don't have to get sticky toothpaste everywhere. These are just kind of like hassle mess free for when I'm traveling. So what I do is I just put it in my mouth, chew it around, and it kind of makes what a toothpaste would feel like in your mouth. And then I just go to brushing. So after that, it is just acting like a regular toothpaste. This is a nice light mint flavor, and it leaves my teeth feeling nice and clean, my breath nice and fresh. It's also great for travel because the container is nice and tiny. If you're looking for a great way to keep your teeth clean, a way that's super convenient, try these tablets out. I think they're great, and that's my point of view.